Welcome to Intro to Sakai. Sakai is Durham Tech's learning management system, and the skills you'll learn in this workshop will help you get up and running with the basics of using Sakai. In this video, we'll take a look at how to navigate the workshop. On the left is the course menu. We encourage you to click Syllabus to read the workshop syllabus, and then click Lessons to access the workshop's modules. Each of the 10 modules walks you through a feature or tool that you can use to help build your course in Sakai. As you work your way through the workshop's modules, each one will contain text, pictures, and videos for you to review, as well as activities for you to complete. When it's time to complete an activity, the instructions will often direct you to use your practice course site to demonstrate the skills you learned in the module. To locate your practice course site, click Sites and select My Practice Course. I know that I'm in my practice course right now because the site's title is displayed in a dark green box at the top of the screen, so you always know where you are. If I click back over to the Intro to Sakai workshop, notice that the green box now says Intro to Sakai. Okay, let's jump back into the practice course site and talk a little more about it. Your practice course site is an empty site where you have instructor access. Instructor access allows you to add and modify content on the site, such as posting announcements, uploading a syllabus, creating course lessons and content, and more. Conversely, in the Intro to Sakai workshop, you have student access. Having this more limited access in the workshop will help you gain the student perspective of what Sakai looks like. As you complete activities, you'll need to go back and forth between the Intro to Sakai workshop and your practice course site. Each time you need to switch, just click Sites and select the site you need. To help you see ways in which you can apply the material you'll be learning in this workshop, we'll visit a typical course site and take a quick tour. Here's the overview page of a World Civilizations course site. Unless you change it, this is the first page that students see. The center area of the overview page is called Site Information Display. It's a good place to put the title of your course as well as your instructor contact information. If you'd like, you can also add a picture and a course description or outcomes. You'll learn how to add content to Site Information Display in Module 3. Recent course announcements are displayed on the right side of the overview page. In Module 2, you'll learn how to post announcements and how to configure the most recent announcements. On the left side of the overview page is the course menu. Many of the items on the menu are also called tools, such as the Lessons tool or Forums tool. Instructors can customize their course menu by adding or removing tools, and they can hide certain tools from students. You'll learn how to do this in Module 4. Let's take a closer look at some of the tools on the menu. In this course, the instructor has posted a syllabus in the syllabus area. We'll show you how to do that in Module 7. Next on the menu is Lessons. This is an important area of your course in which you'll build your course content. Files you upload to the Lessons tool are stored in the Resources area. You'll learn more about resources in Module 6 and more about the Lessons tool in Module 8. The instructor has also made the email tool available on the course menu. The instructor and students can use this feature. You'll learn more about it in Module 5. Okay, let's return to the Intro to Sakai site to talk about a few important tips. Tip number 1, do not use the browser's back button while working in Sakai. Instead, use the navigation links and buttons within Sakai to get around. Tip number 2, Sakai remembers where you left off. When you drill down into an area, such as Lessons, and then you go to another tool and come back, you'll come back to where you left off. This can be handy, but it's not like most websites. Clicking the tool again on the course menu will reset it and take you back to the first page or the start page of the tool. Tip number 3, you can click on the help question mark in any tool to get help information. This help information is clear and useful. We encourage you to give it a try. And finally, you might find it useful to click on Overview at the top of the course menu when you need to return to the opening page of a course site. When you're done working in Sakai, remember to log out. To log out, click on your name in the upper right corner of the screen and select Log Out. Okay, you're ready to start working in the Intro to Sakai workshop. If you have any questions, please send us an email at sakaihelp@durhamtech.edu.